Hey, I woke up like this. I woke up like this. But anyway, so I posted a video earlier and I was talking about doing, I guess you could say, unboxing. I'm doing an untoting because I've had certain things stored away and I forgot all about how pretty and beautiful and stylish and all of the things, and a lot of these are pieces that I made, so I'm going to share them with you. It might be a couple that I did make a video on, but it's a lot that I have not shared. So come with me on this journey. Now, this dress that I have on is not the one that I made. That's gonna be the first one that I feature. Okay, this is the first one. This is the one I said I'm featuring because I did not make this one. Hold on. Just trying to work on my angles because I want you to really see it and get into it. I like this one because, I got Betty Yelly a little bit, and I am wearing a little shapewear piece, and I just like how it comes through. You know what I'm saying? A little piece. Check that shoulder out. You can wear this casually to church. Dress it up, do what you want to do with it afterwards. But this is not one that I made. I'm wearing this because this is what I put on today. Okay. Check me out. Bow. Bow. Okay, so this is a piece that I made, I want to say maybe 2018, and I did a video of this one somewhere on the channel. So I like this fabric. I actually got this fabric from Joann. This is not a paid promotion, but this is like one of those seasonal ones I was able to find, and it's super comfortable, and it's just always been one of my favorites. So every season that I'm able to find it, I get a couple yards of it because okay, this is definitely a different one, and I gotta go back and fix this one. It's been in the cut for a minute, but now this fabric I got from a warehouse in Georgia called Fine Fabrics. It's in Norcross off of Dawson Boulevard. But yeah, so this is an old, I think I had, oh, did I get it from there? No. I think I might have got this one from Fabric Hut. Yeah, I think this is a Fabric Hut piece. So fabrichut.com, I think it was one of the two. But it's a little loose on the side. Like if I took it in a little bit, it'll look different. I think I got it on backwards because my seam is in the front. But girl, let's turn it around then. Either way, I thought this one was a cute fabric. I think I made a head wrap to go with it. I'm still trying to find the rest of my pieces, but this is a part of my untoting series. Okay, so I love this one. This one I definitely got from fabrichut.com. This fabric, girl, I had a belt, but I don't know where it is. But get into it. Back that thing up. This giving me very much this is giving, I think I made this one maybe 2 years ago. This was my 40 dress, I think. Because it's definitely giving grown woman. But I can always take it in, but I like it the way it is because, like, sometimes I ain't gonna lie, weight fluctuates. So I like to be able to get back into my stuff. That's why I like knits. Okay, so this concludes my first episode of Untoting. Y'all come back for the next one.